Siva, big up yourself, my brother. Know yourself. Your sister go buy you a jelly bed, cause that way you get a fuck with. Yeah. I don't want nobody look to me. I'm my own big woman. I'm 36. I'm not last. Wanna breeze me and breeze my phone. Cause I don't want this one. Remember, you know, when everybody did that say I'm mad, I'm this, I'm that, I only God me see, not even my mama, my papa, I God heal me. I'm alone, I owe something right now, I don't owe nothing. So I don't want nobody to call my phone like I own something. I got alone, I owe, yeah. Oh, I mean, I like people, I trick, you know. I talk less, I use this. And I'm a two-sided brain I work now, the black gone. The black one I did put on the left side, it gone. My third eye open my back. Watch me on a blood clot. Take my life, you know? I'm a good man. Siva, big up yourself, my brother. Know yourself. Your sister go buy you a jelly bed, cause that way you get a fuck with. Yeah. Oh, Mooney to get bumbo clot then. And you get X1 dimmer. Mooney do 13 years. Hey, I that get my dark in a youth. I want to you. Me I go buy you your bumbo clot then. Mooney do bumbo clot 13 years, but him I get bent. I want to see him for back clean him head, boy him get bent. Pussy boy. Boy him get bumbo clot then. Trying to make my buck him on the road too. Informer pussy all money. What do you when them put out a video about me a thief money out of the G bag? After me I try all the bumbo all feed not drop off a stage. Yo, buy money. Send the video to the man, I tell the man, but watch ya. My little and them can own bumbo clock money. I bank all my money for me. I hardly spend here and them something. Them and I buy them bumbo clock something. I bank all my money. And me I invest in my career right now. I want to know. Me no wear wig and eyelash and them something unless me I do video shoot, photo shoot, or me I go interview. Otherwise from that, me look like a mad homeless blood clot girl and I so me love it. Me not frightened for vanity. So no can't use no bling and trick me. Me another idiot country girl from Tavern. When it come on me yard, come sit down on my table and do what she do. And as she left me yard, she go meet world boss. Cause she did a blood clot carry well live round at the back of father room yard. And then she start Shawn Storm and milk back her down. And then Addy start her. And the whole Gaza one man from the Gaza. And at the boss, cause I that me the boss. Me not the basket. You cannot even construct a proper interview. It's no your talk. You do a song with Dexter, big song. Them ask you, how come you come up with that song? You know Mama and Papa days. And the song name High School Love. Go back a bumbo clad school girl.
Well, it look like I'll be a problem on the Gaza camp right now. All these types start look out, so you hear me? What's your thought on this? Leave in the comment section, alright?